Hello guys, we start up this stretch in a wide stand, then we go into a flat back while trying to hold our ankles, and we hold that for about 10 seconds. Then we roll up and we lift our hands up, then we bend to one side. And now to the other side. Then after you roll your torso to one side, after that you roll it on to the other side to free up your torsos. Now we'll be going up to a downward dog, from a downward dog to a sail straight, and we're going to be doing this 4 times. So when doing a sail stretch, you need to arch back as far back as you can go. Remaining on your sail stretch, you hold it for about 10 seconds. So down in this stretch, basically you just need to go in as far deep as you can. Now you're flipping your torso to one side, and you try repeating that on the other side. Make sure to hold it particular stretch for about 10 seconds. Now you're going to a cat and a cow. So this pose is called a cat and a cow because you need to be bending in as a cat and going up as a cow. So in this pose, basically you're just going to be repeating it for 4 times to free in your upper back and your lower back. Remaining in a cat pose, you need to stretch out your hands forward and go deep down, and you kind of like hold this stretch for about 10 seconds. Outward, you try going into a child pose to loosen up your back. On your knees, you try reaching back forward by putting your arms on your waist. You can hold that, but if you want to go deeper, you can put your hands on your heels. And try holding this stretch for about 10 seconds to loosen up your back. Now you're sitting your legs facing forward and you're going into a pike stretch. But if you find this stretch too easy as a beginner, you can go as mine are in the advanced, and you hold it for about 10 seconds. Now you lay in your back with your knees bent to do a beginner's modified bridge. So if you find this too easy, you can go into an intermediate back stretch by putting your hands backward and going into a bridge to hold this for about 10 seconds. So for our final stretch, you need to put your hands backward, lay them on the floor, and try stretching out your entire body. You're supposed to feel some crack while doing that in your leg. So if you like this video, please subscribe, like, and leave a comment.
Audio Jungle.